Hi, Scott Doolin at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a 2025 red, white, and blue Sea Ray SLX 350. All right, so 350 SLX, big boat. Wraparound seating up in the bow. I like it that they have given us these removable cushions with a teak filler in, underneath of it. That way, if you want to seat two people here and two people here facing forward without having their legs up, they can sit in a regular seated position. Flip down armrests, which are really nice. In-floor storage, windlass control, sprayer for your windlass up here, as well as the remote control spotlight. The other thing I like too is over the past couple of years, they have moved the bathroom and the berth. So it used to be the head was over here and the berth was over here. They switched those two around, which I like, because now the head sits a little lower down in the sole of the boat. Twin Simrad touchscreens, I love it. It's clean, it's a nice look. Upgraded Fusion stereo, subwoofers, amplifiers. Being a twin engine boat, we did get this one with Axia, so it does have joystick docking as well as skyhook. So just super easy boat to drive around the dock. Double wide captain seat, double wide companion seat, and then wrap around seating back behind. So over to Entertainment Center, electric grill, slide out Kenyan refrigerator, slide out trash can, refrigerator, done really, really well. L bench back behind the companion seat with a filler cushion that makes this one big sun pad. These cushions just remove. There's a separate base for the table. That way you can bring this up to table height if you like, which is nice. Really, really deep in-floor storage. It's probably a good 2.5 foot deep, probably about 8 feet long. Really, really good. Opening canvas section on the hardtop. So this you can open up if you want to get sun or close it down if you want to stay in the shade. Extending sure shade back on the back, so everybody back here on the back can be in the shade if they like it. And if you like stern loungers on your boat, this is the model for you. These stern loungers are awesome. Submersible swim platform, you can see the cutout for it where it'll raise and lower about 3 feet underneath the surface of the water. You can bring it up to surface of the water height and then bring it all the way up. So unlike some of the others that are either down or up, this one can be anywhere in between, which is really, really nice. And when you're not using the boat, you can store these cushions down out of the way like this and lock it down. That way you can see when you're backing in the boat, and that way your cushions stay out of the element. So really, really nice boat. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.